Hi guys, I'm Rasmus. I'm here with Mette and Christian, and today we're doing a hairstyle inspired by the singer Shawn Mendes. Are you up for it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
So today we're going for a Shawn Mendes-inspired haircut. We are doing like a taper fade on the sides, up to 6 mm and then fade it in the bottom. Why did you choose this hairstyle?
I choose this hairstyle because I'm going to the Danish Royal Guard, protecting the Queen and the royal family, and also in teamwork with the military to guard military planes and other equipment. And I think at the same time this haircut is a fresh haircut, a nice combination for what I'm about to do.
So now I've cut the top. It's about 2 or 3 centimeters back here and then 4 to 5 in the front. I've faded the sides from 3 to 6 mm, and now I'm going to make the taper fade.
The love would never let us down. Broken into reverse the broken feeling to say I do, and I will follow wherever you may go. I know it's so uncertain, but I'm tired of hurting now.
So I started by using the Sidekick to freestyle his hair and get a bit of texture, and then I used the Dynamite clay to get a bit more movement. Crazy.
Take me on a big adventure, baby. If we stay together, we can stay young forever. And
now Christian is ready to guard the royal family and maybe give us a concert. So first, how do you like your new haircut?
It's perfect, I like it a lot.
You did amazing, Mette.
Thank you.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.
A very good texture. It's perfect foundation to add the wax. Dynamite clay. It's my favorite combo at the moment. I'm using it every morning. Somebody has put their silver fox finger in my gold digger. And there you have it. This is my everyday hairstyle.